Hi guys, this is Nicole Brown. Um, so we're going to go through a short video on how to navigate Cengage for ME1120, which is Introduction to Medical Administrative Assisting. So for Cengage, you are going to log into the Cengage website. Your password is going to be your email address for UMA. And then your temporary password is going to be Cengage 18. The C on Cengage is going to be capitalized. Once you log in, you're going to come to the Instructor Resource Center. So right here, you have My Rep. And so when you click on that, that just gives you some information about Cengage, your representative. Don't believe you're going to need this information, but it is there. My account just gives information about you. Okay. If you want to update your password from the Cengage 18, you can do it from here and then hit update. FAQ, these are frequently asked questions about the instructor resources. So once you start to get into Cengage, I would suggest going through the FAQs, playing around with the Cengage system, and getting, this may have some valid information that you need for later. I tried the site demo. It's not currently working for me, but maybe it will work for you. Tried it a couple of times, and I can't get it to work, but I'll try it again later. And then, of course, your sign out is just your sign out. You're just going to sign out of Cengage when you're done. So let's go back. I'm going to click on this Instructor Resource Center. It takes you right back to the main page. Your book for ME1120 should already be in your resources. However, if it's not there, you can go up to this product search and type in, I'm just going to do administrative medical and just hit the search button. And what's going to happen is it's going to bring you to your books based on the criteria that you put in, and you're going to locate the book. So our current book is by Linda French, 8th edition, Administrative and Medical Assisting. You'll click on it and hit continue, and that should add it to your main resource tab. So a couple of things that I wanted to show you for the navigation is just how to look at some of the things the students are going to see when they get logged into MindTap, and as well as the instructor information, the instructor companion site. So we're going to look at that one as well. So before we get started, I'm just going to go into MindTap real quick. I really want to show you the instructor companion site, but we'll do that in just a second. So if you click on Manage Courses, you're going to come to the Manage Courses tab. You have the option to get the information on how to set up MindTap. It gives you some instructions here. You can print them out, but I just wanted to show you the instructions are here. You can copy the key. I don't think you'll need that. Visibility, again, you can hide that from the instructor. I don't think you want to do that. I wouldn't delete it. You need it, right? And I haven't used the edit feature, so I don't think that's necessary. When you're going to go into the course so you can do a demo of MindTap, you'll just click on that link. Takes a second. Okay, here is a demo of what the students are going to see when they log into MindTap. We have the resource toolbar over here for the students. I thought a great feature for this is if the student wants MindTap to read to them, they can select this. They can play around and select how they want the voice to sound. They can also select the speed. Okay, and then once it's set, then they can go ahead into their resources and start reading. I'm just going to click on the Unit 1 link here. It's going to give you the chapters for this, which is what the student's going to see. and then it's going to give them the reading and quick checks, the job skills, study tools, and then apply yourself. So there's several things in here that the student's going to get, activities that they're going to use throughout the weeks. Okay. So I would suggest as you are logging into Cengage and you click on the Mind tab, that you go ahead and play around with some of the features in here so you can familiarize yourself with Mind tab. But they have some cool things in here. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back to your managed courses. Whenever you click on the link in Cengage, it's automatically going to open up a new link for MindTap. So I'm just going to close this out. Okay. And to get back to the Resource Center, I'm going to click on Resource Center. And then what I really wanted to show you were the instructor companion site, really cool tool. So when you click on that, it's going to open up a new link. And right here where it says book resources, you're going to click on instructor downloads. And when you get the downloads, when they come up, and it shouldn't take too long, there's several resources in here that you can use. We have PowerPoints, we have the instructor manual, we have test banks. They have test banks for Blackboard. I've also played around with the Educator's Guide to Administrative Medical Assisting. But I think the coolest thing that you're going to have that's going to be a great tool for the classroom is the PowerPoints. So if you click on this, it's going to be a zip file. It has several PowerPoints in the zip file. You can either save or open. I'm just going to go ahead and open so you can look at it. And then depending on what type of computer you have, it's going to depend on how this little message is going to come up, but you can either save it, but I am going to open the folder. And so when you open up the document, it's going to have several PowerPoint presentations that you can put into your classroom for the students. And it gives a quick overview of each chapter that we're going to cover in the 820 start. So I thought this was really cool for the students to use. And we don't have to create them. Okay, so those are there. Close that out. All right. When you're ready to go back to the instructor resources, you can just go ahead and close out of the instructor companion site. It's going to take you back to the main page, and that's pretty much Cengage and MindTap. So I hope y'all love it. I love it. It's exciting. It's something new. We're going to learn together. And let me know if you have any questions. Have a good one.